Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is to share with you guys a few projects that I've created within the past couple of weeks and yesterday. I tend to post all my projects on Instagram first and then I post them on here. Sometimes I forget, but I have a few to share with you guys. Last night I created some flowers using the new Coco and Reno dies, and these are the layered flowers. And these remind me a lot of that Maggie Holmes die. So I created a few of them and I wanted to show you guys. How cute did these turn out? I used the On Trend 2 paper. I made that one. I made these two. Very fun to add to projects or just package up for a pen pal. Aren't they cute? And don't they remind you of the Maggie Holmes die the confetti die that everybody goes crazy over? I love them. So many options. So you get like all these little leaf pieces. You get 3 like layers, like full layers. You get cutouts and they cut so beautifully, you guys. If you're not subscribed to Coco and Reno, you definitely should go. Not because I am part of their design team, because they're actually really good dies. This is my 3rd set and I absolutely love them. They cut perfectly fine. They don't give you a hard time, so definitely check them out. I'll have them linked down below. Excuse me. The next project I want to show you guys is a cute little butterfly box that I made a few weeks ago, and this is a Lori Whitlock file, and it's just so cute, you guys. It's a little box that you can fill with goodies for your pen pal. I don't like the way the inside came in because I feel like I made a mistake. You're supposed to put another piece there, but it's still cute. I'll put crinkle paper if I'm gonna send it out. And then you put the little handles through the little butterfly, and you guys, it's so cute. I use the Sunny Days Maggie Holmes paper and I love it. I think it's adorable. Super cute. You guys know I'm obsessed. I did stitching around this one. You guys know I'm obsessed with SVG files. I swear, I'm always on the site, always looking to see what else to do, what to create. And then the last one is one that I made last night, and this is a Easter basket, which is so cute. I think I'm gonna give this to my wife to take to her job and give to this little girl that she knows, and fill it up with some candies for her. But look at the little chocolate bunnies. I did pom-poms for their tails, and then I used some floral paper in here, and then the Easter eggs in the inside. So cute. The chocolate bunnies go all the way around, and this is also a Lori Whitlock file, which I will have listed down below, so you guys can definitely check it out. So cute. Super happy with it. But yeah, you guys, that is everything I have to share with you guys for now. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.